This presentation, Healing Through Faith, visually explores ideas from A Course in Miracles. We will examine how mind, body, and faith interact, and why peace is described not as a distant goal, but as an inevitable outcome when perception is aligned with truth. Peace is presented here as the natural result of a mind wholly dedicated to truth. Faith is the catalyst that balances this dedication and allows peace to emerge. When faith includes everyone, without exception, our commitment to truth becomes complete and peace becomes unavoidable. This slide challenges the belief that the body is the source of sickness or healing. The body is described as neutral, a canvas. It is the mind that assigns meaning, purpose, and therefore health or illness. Genuine healing, then, requires that we work with the mind, not merely the body. Here we see how the ego uses the body as a weapon when the mind chooses separation. Under this influence, the body acts insanely, becomes an instrument of illusion, and misperceives reality. In this model, sickness is not random. It reflects a mind temporarily imprisoned by distorted thinking. The true locus of healing is the mind, because that is where the mistaken thought system resides. Physical remedies may comfort, but lasting change occurs when the mind joins with the higher mind, in which all healing rests. The body reflects this inner joining rather than causing it. Faith is framed as the direct opposite of fear. Instead of attack and defensiveness, faith recognizes a shared identity grounded in love. To extend faith is to affirm union with others, and in this framework, that very act of recognizing union is what constitutes healing. Two lenses of perception are contrasted. Faithlessness uses the past to condemn, sees separation, and builds barren, isolated kingdoms. Faith, by contrast, releases the past, acknowledges union, and sees each person as inherently holy. Our chosen lens shapes the world we experience. This diagram outlines the mechanics of a miracle. We first accept atonement or inner freedom, then release the past, refuse to condemn and overlook errors. Finally, we acknowledge union with others. When these steps are taken sincerely, faith is justified and healing is the natural result. The meeting at the altar symbolizes a joining of minds rather than bodies. When grace is accepted, perception shifts beyond physical form to a shared holy space. At this inner altar, both parties stand together, receiving the same grace at the same instant, reinforcing their fundamental unity. In the holy instant, when faith replaces faithlessness, no error can obstruct clear vision. Healing is said to occur with equal ease for all mistakes. Messengers of love carry this correction, and what is given through us is simultaneously received by us as we stand together in faith. Two mental environments are depicted. The barren kingdom represents a mind fragmented by faithlessness, where each little kingdom is isolated. The holy garden represents a mind opened by faith, where the Holy Spirit can cultivate connection, growth, and a shared life-giving ecosystem of thought. The architecture of peace is a cycle: dedication to truth, the catalyst of faith, union at the altar, and the inevitable emergence of peace. Healing is thus the restoration of a unified mind, not the repair of a broken body. Faith functions as the bridge. Peace is the final destination.